I have no idea how long I'm going to be on the chemo for. I have no idea if it's going to be, 3 months, or if it's going to be 6 months, or if we're going to, if after 3 months it's not working, if we're going to change again. That's not something that I can predict. It's not something my doctors can predict. And it's scary. It's like a big wake-up call. At the same time, I gotta say that there is some positivity there, and the positivity